morning, everybody. Just a really quick tutorial on how to graph a line in classkick. So if you're given slope and intercept, we should be able to graph a line in classkick. So we're going to use our toolbar. So we're going to get our pen, and then we can come up here and we can change to whatever color that you might like to graph in. So choose your color. I feel like I'm going to choose this color this morning. You can graph your thickness of your pen. So the first thing we're going to do, begin B. So we begin with our y-intercept of -2 and place your point here on -2. I'm going to move slope. Remember, slope needs to be a fraction, so we're going to make it a fraction by placing it over 1. And slope is as a fraction is rise over run. So we're going to move m. So from my y-intercept, I'm going to rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run 1, and place my next point. And I can do that as often as I want to fill up my graph. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run 1. Or I could go in the opposite direction, down 3 and back 1. And now once I have my points plotted, I now come up to the top. I'm going to grab my line function. Okay, so here's my line. Okay, grab my line function. Okay, draw in my line. If it's off a little bit, that's fine. You can adjust your line by just dragging the end. Okay, click on it. You can come up here and change the thickness of your line if you like. Okay, and then you can change the color of your line to match whatever color you had to coordinate with your point. And that's it. That's how we graph a line in classkick.